Hi. So in this class, we are going to see about string functions. In the previous class, we have learned about the string formatting. Okay. So within the string function, what we are having mainly is like we are having some functions which actually ends with, starts with use string, upper, lower, and we are having something like that. Okay. So in this, I'll be taking the string functions and the numeric functions together. Okay. So I am naming it as string function. Okay, so for the string function, I'm creating a string that is a new string. So new string is equal to, and within this, I'm giving as hello world. So that is my string. So a few functions which I'm going to check within it is, first one is that ends with. We can see how it is. So ends with means within the print, you'll be having a new string. So I'm having it within my new string. So new string dot ends with of, and I am using it to find out what has been used to end it. Okay, so in this string, if it is a word, we can give word. So we can give as a true or false, whatever it is. Okay, it's true. So if it is correct that this ends with word, then we'll be having a true. Okay, so if here I make any case sensitive of or any spelling mistake, then I won't be getting this result. Instead, we'll be getting a false. See, we are having a false, and like this, we'll be giving the start with. We can say that start with keyword. So start with okay. And within this, we can give hello. So it is having no syntax. Which string is its variable? Then that variable ends with or starts with. And then we have to pass our parameter. So we are having a true. And we are having it there. So I am repeating this Python is actually case sensitive. So if we give any other letter in caps lock, whatever we have given in that, you have to give the same itself. Otherwise, you will be getting a false. Okay. And next is the uppercase. So if it should be the uppercase, we are using the keyword upper. So within this, if I want to make the new string as uppercase, then dot upper. So when I give it like this, we will be having the uppercase. Okay. So we will be getting this hello world in print. And we have made it upper. So what you have next is the lower. So what will be? It will be the lower case itself. So the new string dot lower. Okay. So we will be getting it in lower. Okay, so these are the string functions, and the main functions that we are using is ends with, starts with, upper and lower. Okay, along with this I am doing the numeric functions also, and for that we are mainly using the minimum, maximum, absolute. So we will be using these three values. So here I am creating a new string, so we can create a list. Okay.
Avoda promise you a bright future. Learn now, pay after you land a job. Register now.